Oh, I want to read books in the bed, but it's very uncomfortable. I want to read without my hands. I'm very tired.
Hi Laura.
Hi!
What did you say?
I want to read book without my hands.
Oh, that's too bad. So do you know sleeping bed?
No, what is it?
This make you happy. So you are always reading a book in uncomfortable condition on the bed, you know?
Yeah.
So it's very bad for your health and you can't concentrate to read. So this bed is perfect for you because you can read a book hands-free while lying on the bed. Oh, yes, that's amazing. And it's not only reading book but also have an alarm. If you fall asleep while reading, the bed close the book and in the morning the alarm ring at the time you need.
Wow.
Yes, very good. In addition, the bed has good speakers to listen atmospheric music. So the price is only 850 euro. And we have the student discount. It's 20% off until August. Where are you going to buy? Just now.
That's perfect. I will buy now. Let's go.
Let's go.